What if I told you Iran might have a weapon so powerful, so secret, that it could shift the balance of power across the globe? Yes, we're talking about something that could rival the most advanced technologies in nuclear warfare or even an EMP. Stay with us, as we uncover what's brewing behind closed doors. Iran's super-secret weapon. A real nuke or EMP? Introduction. So, what's really going on with Iran's military advancements? In recent years, Iran has kept the world on edge, intensifying its defense strategies and building alliances with global powerhouses. Their top-secret weapon development programs and growing cooperation with Russia have left many nations questioning Iran's intentions and capabilities. Is this an advanced EMP weapon, a nuclear arsenal, or something even more frightening? Let's deep dive. Iran's weapon capabilities. Iran's military ambitions go beyond traditional defense. Rumors are circulating about Iran's ongoing nuclear enrichment programs, raising concerns that they might be building a nuclear device capable of altering the global stage. But there's also speculation of an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, weapon, something that could shut down power grids across entire regions, causing mass disruption and chaos. These types of weapons aren't just powerful, they're silent, unseen, and potentially catastrophic. Iran and Russia's military partnership. Now let's bring Russia into the picture. Recently, Russia and Iran have ramped up their defense partnership, sparking a wave of international concern. From shared military technology to coordinated weapon developments, Iran and Russia are working closer than ever. Some of the rumors include Iran's increased access to Russian weapons systems, potentially advancing their nuclear and EMP capabilities with Russian support. Details on defense partnerships, drones, fighter jets, and more. This partnership isn't limited to simple arms deals. Russia has provided Iran with Shahed and Mohajer drones, Su-35 fighter jets, and even tactical helicopters, broadening Iran's ability to launch both defensive and offensive operations. With these advanced tools, Iran is positioning itself as a more formidable force, one that can project power far beyond its borders. Iran's development and deployment of advanced drone technology has made it a formidable player in military drone warfare. Over the years, Iran has expanded its drone program from simple models to sophisticated, multifunctional systems, influencing warfare strategies regionally and globally. The program includes a wide range of drone types, from kamikaze-style drones like the Shahed 136 to long-range surveillance and combat drones such as the Kaman 22. These drones boast impressive flight times and payload capabilities, with some able to travel distances exceeding 1,000 kilometers, making them effective tools for both surveillance and offensive missions. Iran's drones have become instrumental in conflicts across the Middle East. The Shahed 136, for example, has been deployed in Yemen by the Iran-backed Houthi forces and has been involved in attacks on Saudi Arabia's oil infrastructure in Israel. Additionally, Hezbollah and other Iranian-backed militias in Lebanon, Iraq, and Syria also possess Iran-supplied drones, which have been used to target U.S. and allied interests in the region. This proliferation has heightened concerns about Iran's influence and its ability to conduct asymmetric warfare using cost-effective unmanned systems. Notably, Iran has been exporting its drone technology and blueprints to allies, further escalating its reach. Recent reports confirm that Iran has collaborated with Russia, sharing drone technology that has bolstered Russian capabilities in the Ukraine conflict. This partnership has raised alarms in the West, as Iranian drones now represent a tangible threat not just in the Middle East, but also in Europe. Iran's drone program demonstrates a shift toward a modernized, high-tech military strategy focused on unmanned warfare. This trend has significant implications for global security, as Iran's drone technology could continue to spread, increasing the potential for drone-enabled conflict in more regions. As such, understanding and monitoring the spread and use of Iranian drones will be crucial in addressing future security challenges. Potential satellite and EMP capabilities. And there's another angle to consider. Rumors suggest that Iran, with help from Russian satellite technology, could develop EMP weapons capable of being launched into orbit. Imagine an EMP weapon unleashed from space, one that could cripple an entire region's electrical grid in an instant. The damage would be silent but catastrophic, impacting everything from communications to defense systems. Unprecedented. World-altering. Global concern. The possibility of Iran wielding a weapon of this magnitude is a frightening one. An EMP or nuclear weapon could be deployed without warning, bringing unprecedented consequences. It's no wonder that defense analysts are alarmed and that countries worldwide are closely watching every move Iran makes. Top military rumors. The October surprise angle. With October here, we're at a heightened alert. What if this alignment between Iran and Russia is part of an October surprise? This year, rumors are swirling about potential shocking events before the year ends. Could a demonstration of this super-secret weapon be one of them? Should we all be worried? As global powers race to understand Iran's intentions, the questions remain: is this a bluff, or is the world on the verge of witnessing the rise of a new nuclear or EMP superpower? Whatever the case, the world is watching closely. And so should you. Stay informed. Stay prepared.